Now let's go over the print statement in a little more detail. Now, here, instead of just printing variables, we can also write something directly in the print statement, and we can print it. So here we have, this is Python, which is as it is printed. Now, what if you want to print a statement like this and the variables? Before that, this will not only print letters and sentences, this can also print numbers. Here, the data type will be string, but it can print integers and boolean and other stuff as well, as long as it's written in the quotation marks. So what if I want to print my own sentence in these quotation marks and the value of a variable? So for that, I'm going to do, now here we took sum. So now I'm going to print the sum is, comma, sum. So here this will print the sum is, comma, sum. Oh, sorry. So here it's printing the sum is, and the value of sum, which is 18. What if I want to print more than one variable in this print statement? For example, print the sum of x and, sum of x, comma, and, comma, y, comma, and, comma, z is, comma, sum. Here I have the sum of the value of x and the value of y and the value of z is the value of sum. So the sum of 5 and 6 and 7 is 18. So this is how you can add multiple variables and a string in the same print statement. So one more thing that I'll discuss in this video are these green lines. These green lines here are comments. So whatever is written after this hash, this will not be considered in the code. So if I write hash print hello, this will not be printed because this is a comment. This is not considered in the code. Comments are used so to explain the code, to explain what you're doing in each step. And these are optional. You don't have to use these. Now, what if you want to comment more than one line? What if you want to comment this whole thing? You don't want this whole thing to be part of your code. So what you're going to do is add 3 single quotation marks at the top from where you want the comment to start, and where you want it to stop, add 3 more. So here, this whole piece, the brown piece, is now out of the code. It's a comment now. But from underneath it, the code will continue normally. Now all of this won't be printed, but this will be.